Hello students. So this is a new pseudocode to correct. So in the pseudocode, we need to calculate the weight and number of bags in a load of firewood. The weight in kilograms of each bag is input. The algorithm finishes when either 50 bags have been weighted or as soon as the total weight exceeds 1000 kilograms. Only then are the total weight and the number of bags in the load output. So the algorithm need to calculate the weight, the total weight, which is inside the max weight. Yeah, max, it's total weight, not max weight. Max weight and max back here we can see two constants, 50 and 1000. Total weight is used to calculate the total weight, okay, of bags. So the algorithm finishes when either 50 bags have been weighted or as soon as the total weight exceeds 1000 kg. So number of bags, so that is bag count. So there are two conditions, either 50 bags or 1000. The total weight exceeds 1000. The algorithm need to finish. Only then are the total weight and the number of bags in the load output. So we need to display only after that. Okay, here there are different statements. So total weight, bag count, max bag, max weight, these are different variables. Here max bag and max weight are two different constants because the value is fixed there. So line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, these are, and also yeah, we can say line 1, line 2, line 2, line 4, these are assignment statements. Assignment because 1000 is stored to total weight, 0 is stored to back weight, the back count. Total weight and back count are variables because its value change, yeah, during execution its value changes. So max bag and max weight, they are constants because it's fixed. Max bag is 50 always and max weight is always 1000. Then one loop is here, that is repeat until from line 5 to line 11. Repeat until a loop is used. Then totaling and counting. Totaling we can see in line number 8 and counting we can see in line number 9. Okay. So there are different assignment statements from line 1 to line 4, a loop from line 5 to line 10, then totaling in line 8 and counting in line 9. So we need to find errors in this pseudocode. Total weight is set to 1000, but total weight is used for totaling. So we need to initialize it to 0. The first error is in line 1. Total weight, we need to initialize it to 0. Then line 2 is fine, 3 is okay, 4 is okay, 5, okay. Repeat until in line 6, the prompt, line 7, and input weight, line 8, total weight equal to is set to total weight plus weight. Actually, okay, so total weight is set to total weight plus weight. Okay, that's right. Because we need to find the total. Yeah. Then line number 9, back count is set to back count plus 1. Okay, that is counting. Yeah. Okay. Then output number of bags in the load is. So that line number 10, actually we need to display after until, just after until, that is after line number 11. That's other row. So we need to change that output. We need the output only after until, that is after line number 11. So there is a problem in that position, line position. So that's another error, second error. Then in the case of that condition, until total weight greater than max weight and back count greater than or equal to max back, there it is not and, because either, student, the question, the algorithm finishes here when either 50 bags have been weighted or as soon as the total weight exceeds 1000. So either means or. Either total weight greater than max weight or back count greater than or equal to max back. So this is not and, this is or. So if any one of these conditions becomes true, then system need to stop until, okay. So if any condition becomes true, what happened in the case of or? The total condition becomes true. So until true means that repeat until can stop. Then finally, output total weight of the load is total weight. Actually, it is in total weight variable. It is not in max weight. It's wrong. Max weight is used to what? It's a constant. Yeah. Here, look. 1000. So the total weight is stored inside total weight variable. So that is the fourth mistake. So line error one, line number one. Yeah. So we need to set the total weight to this arrow. Okay. To 0 inside initialization. Okay, variable. Then second error here line number 10. So how we can correct that error? So correction is here. Place after line what 11. Okay, after line 11 here. That is after until. Got it. The next error 3. It's in line number 11. Line 11. So correction is we need to use or. Okay. So it's good to write the entire condition, entire statement. That is until total weight greater than max weight or back count greater than or equal to max back. Okay. The algorithm issues when either 50 bags have been weighted 50. So it's equal to. Or as soon as the total weight exceeds 1000 means more than 1000. So don't put equal to here. That's right. Total weight. It's not greater than or equal to, it is greater than only. Okay. Fine. Next. Okay. Last error, fourth error. Line 12 is not max weight, it is total weight. Okay. Line number 12. So we need to display, it's not max weight, it is total. So it's good to write the entire condition. Okay, output from output till here. Okay. So total weight. Fine. So we need to implement, yeah, after this. But in the past paper, it's not no need to implement, but we can confirm the results. Okay. File new. So total weight is set to 0. So we need to correct that like this. Okay, yeah, fine. Next, back count constant. Back count equal to 0. Then max back is set to 50. That's a constant. Max weight, another second constant. So what's the difference between a constant and a variable? It's a past paper question. Variable, the value inside a variable may change. May change. But in the case of a constant, it will not change during execution of a program. Okay, that's the difference. So during execution of a program, the variable, the value inside a variable, that is data inside a variable may change, can change or not, may change or not. But in the case of a constant, it will not change during the execution of a program, okay? So these are the differences. Here, max back and max weight are two different constants, fixed. Then we need to use while loop because no repeat only in Python. Just we need to write the opposite. Just opposite condition, yeah, in while loop. So here total weight greater than max weight. This is a correction, yeah. Or max weight, max count greater than or equal to max back. So how we can write this statement in while in Python? So just opposite of this. Opposite means you write like this: total weight. So what's the opposite of greater than? This is greater than, yeah. Opposite of greater than is, it's not only less than or equal to. Okay, because if here it is only greater than, so opposite is the other side, less than or equal to. But here if it is greater than or equal to, if it contains equal to also, then we need to put only less than. We need to use only less than. But here we need to use less than or equal to. Okay, because here equal to is not there. Max weight. Then the corrected statement is like this, yeah. Or we need to use or. What is the opposite of or? And. So we need to use and. Yeah, the opposite. So here if it is and, the correction part, then we need to use or. Okay. So what's the opposite of that? The second condition, back count greater than or equal to, the opposite is less than only. Okay, less than max back. So you can save this. Max back. So here enter, right? Yeah. Then inside this while loop, first output print, please enter weight of back, and we need to input. So we can write it in a single line. Weight equal to, so end of it's integer, yeah. Because racks, weight in kilograms of each bag. So we can use integer number, no problem. End of input. Then message. Please enter weight of bag, please. So in program, it is good to use float, because weight means floating. Real number is possible. We need to accept real number. That is what, 2.3 grams, 2.2 kg, 300 grams. That's 2.3 kilograms, like that. So it's good to put floating point. Okay. Please enter. So if you need to input integer or whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., then you can use int in place of float. Okay. Float means real number, decimal value. You can put decimal also. Okay. Please enter weight. Weight of bag. Then it's good to put colon. Increase readability of the program. Then we need to find the total. Yeah. Total weight is equal to totaling. Total weight plus weight. Here total weight is set to 0 to find out. You can check weight. Then back count. This is counting it back. The previous one, total weight, that statement is totaling. Back count is equal to back count plus 1 counting. Then outside the while loop, yeah. It's not while loop. Oh yeah, here while loop. Yeah. That's Pseudocode is repeat until. Outside while loop. So here you display print output, number of bags. Number of bags in the load is number of bags. And the load is good to put colon. Okay. And space colon and then space. Then we need to display the background. Yeah. Fine. Next, last final. We need to output the total weight. Also print total weight of the load is total weight of the load is. So after comma, we can type. It's not max weight, it is total weight. You can check any error is there or not. Sure. Yeah, it's working. No syntax error. Please enter weight of bag. So I'm going to input some higher number, okay, higher weight. Because it, for example, 10. Okay, fine. First, enter weight of bag. 12.5. It's decimal, yeah. Then 2.3. 3.5. 12.7. 20.3. 1.7. So actually it exceeds 50. Yeah. Can check 1 minute. Oh, it's not 50. Yeah. What's in the question? It's 1000. Oh, its weight is very big. Weight is 1000 or 50. Number of bags in the load. So we need to input 50 entries. So the total wages should be 1000 is a very big number. Yeah. So I'm going to input some bigger number. Yeah. 500. 300.5. Then 200. Yeah, it's finished. Look. Number of bags in the load is 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Right. Then total weight of the load is, so if we add all these, we will get the total weight. That is 1063.5 kg. Okay, so here in this question, algorithm finishes when either 50 bags have been weighted or as soon as the total weight exceeds. So it exceeds 1000. That's fine. So I'm going to change this constant. Yeah. I'm going to change this constant to 50. So you can check. Then max back 5. Okay. So either 5, which is 5 or 50 kg. So I'm going to input small weights. So 5 finished. Look, 5 entries, 5 bags. So 2 plus 3, 5. 9 plus 5. 14 plus 6, 20 kg. Total weight of the load is number of bags. It's 5. Okay. Either 50 bags happen. So I change to 5. That's why. Okay. So it's working. So I am going to change like before. Okay. So this works. Yeah. That's right. So on the left side, you can see the corrected pseudocode statements. And on the right side, you can see the program in Python. Okay. Thank you.